Firstly, we'll sand the damaged area to remove any light damage. Once that's done, we use the cleaning wipe to remove any residue we sanded. Next application is the alloy wheel filler. And then smooth in filler. Next process is activate the filler with the pump action spray and leave for 4 or 5 seconds. We can blow it if required, and we sand to shape. Using the sand provided. Clean off any residue again. Once the wheel has been finely cleaned, we apply the paint in light dust coats to the damaged area. In 2 or 3 coats so it evaporates and dries. If you apply it too heavy, you might have a chance of running paint.